Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DeskJet Plus 4120 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP DeskJet Plus 4120 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best matches should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet Plus 4120 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down, and then underneath all software and drivers, you want to expand that and select the installation software and driver package. Scrolling down a little bit further here, so where it says HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software, select the download button here, and then select the installer once it's done downloading to go ahead and run that. And then if you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you can close out the web browser and just proceed with the Easy Start utility configured for your printer in here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.